Jesse, good afternoon to you, buddy. Some interesting things cooking here in this little dog. This is your black one, dual 6v6 going into the 112 with the 5AR4/GZ34 rectifier tube. And I'm near the end of my journey with it. Just a couple more little things to dial out. Took care of that responsiveness issue with your vibrato foot switch. So let's dig in here. I'm going to tell you what's going on with this little scratchy noise. And that's what we got. You probably hear that. This is what remains. I managed to dial out that 120 hertz buzz at the output through some resoldering, some changes to the wiring layout, what we call lead dress. If you hear that term thrown around, that's what we refer to. There's a little scratchiness there, and that's because there's some DC on the pot. Now, let me snoop around on this board. Let me just put the probe here right in the middle. Now I'm on the circuit board. I'm not touching this. You'll hear that, and I'm not touching that. I'm just right there in the middle. And I'm getting around 20 millivolts. All right there, Jesse. There we go. DC has been removed from the board. And look at that. Or listen to that. That's it, buddy. Let's consider her wrapped up. Let's run a little signal. Gonna hear a little noise as she warms up. And let's give her good 90 hertz. About 10 millivolts. Some reverb there. Nice. I like it. All right, let's test out that trim. Let's ground the old vibrato. Ooh, right away, buddy. Very responsive. All right. Little noise from my phone. It's the intensity. And I'll do you a favor. See how slow this is to respond? Watch. The lag. Terrible lag. One more time, it's so fun. This is making me crazy. Anyway, I love it when you power off. Watch this. As the caps discharge. Love it. Anyway, why is that lag there? It's not responsive at all. That's because there's a 25 microfarad cap where there should be like a 4. I'll go ahead and replace that just on the house. Merry Christmas. And we'll get her wrapped up and buttoned up for, well, an actual test with a guitar. So that'll be nice. Bye-bye. All right, let's get into this. Watch how responsive she is now, Jesse. Check this out. There's your slow speed. Watch this. It's almost real time. Whoop, 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 whoop. Look at that, buddy. What do you think of that? There we go. Sorry, little crispy noises from my phone. Got to get that guy off there. I'll discharge these caps and do a little sound check. A little function test here for you a little bit later, but you're good to go in this puppy, I can tell you already. But let's hear a strat through it. What do you say? I mean, what are we doing? Dun da da da, dun da da, dun da da da, dun da da da, dun da da da.